How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here with Patrick Volvo, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois, and I have an awesome video for you today. This is the coolest Volvo on the planet. This is a 2025 V60 Polestar engineered. This is a 455 horsepower hybrid station wagon. Just unbelievable, super, super cool. Let's talk about it. V60 Polestar. Now, this particular car is in Onyx Black, which just looks fantastic. These cars all come with the dark themes, so you get the black grills with the black inserts there as well. No chrome or anything like that on these cars. The Polestar also gets these forged wheels. They're 19-inch. They look fantastic. I love the diamond cut finish on them. And then you also got gold brakes on there as well, which just look absolutely killer. Love the looks of them, and they stop the car really, really, really well. I'm a big fan of these long roofs. I wish they sold more of them. Hope they sell more of them. If you're a wagon fan, go buy one so we can keep them being on sale. Everyone keeps saying, oh, I would love a nice fast station wagon. Well, here you go. Go buy one. These cars also get Öhlins shocks all the way around, which is a big deal. Öhlins is one of the best manufacturers of shock absorbers in the world, and they do a fantastic job on this car of making sure there is zero body roll going around corners while giving you also a sporty but comfortable ride. You just get best of everything in here. It is just super, super well planted, this car. It's unbelievable. This also is a T8 model, so that means it's a plug-in hybrid. It's a 2-liter inline-4 with a turbocharger, and it also has a additional battery pack added to it. That's how you get that combined 455 horsepower. It also puts out 523 foot-pounds of torque and can do 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. It is just a full package, go anywhere, do anything kind of car. I absolutely love it. Let's flip it around. I want to show you some wagon stuff. Now, I absolutely love the way that these Volvo wagons look in the back. They have their super distinctive taillights that just look so cool, and this kind of rear hatchback shape. Just super distinctive Volvo. I'm glad they haven't changed that too much over the years. Just looks so, so good. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. These cars also have one of my favorite features that a lot of people don't use on their car that has it. I always see people kind of struggling with their grocery bags, trying to open or close their trunks, trying to get stuff in, when all you got to do is just click under the trunk and it's going to pop right open. As long as you got the key in your pocket, kick under there, ready to go. You can drop off your stuff, or if you're gonna bring all of your groceries into the house and you're trying to reach up to press the button, don't bother, just kick your foot under the trunk and it's gonna do it. Just make sure you don't bonk your head on the way out. But yeah, plenty of room in the back of this car. You can fit the whole kids, the whole groceries, the whole dog, everything in there, no problem. You can fold the seats down whenever you need to. Just a great, great use of space in this car. You'll also notice on the driver's side is the charge port. It does have the charging cables that come with the car. It can do level 1, 2, and 3 charging. Charges up pretty quickly, but being a hybrid, you don't need to really charge it at all if you don't want to. But if you want to make sure you're getting that maximum 450 horsepower as much as possible, you're going to want to plug it in. But otherwise, you can just let the regenerative braking do that charging for you, and then you're good to go. Let's hop in. I want to show you the interior. Alrighty, how's this for an interior, guys? Now, these seats are specific to the Polestar model, and they look unbelievable. You get these kind of cloth details up at the upper sections, and then these gold seat belts, which just look so, so cool. I absolutely love the way that this looks. It's sporty, it's classy, it's just everything a Volvo should be, kind of all into one. And you got to remember, it's a station wagon, so you got tons of room in the back there also. You can fit whatever you want back here. You also have Bowers & Wilkins stereo in here, which looks fantastic and sounds even better. These cars all come with the aluminum trim, which looks super, super good. Keeps it with that sporty theme on the car. And then one of my favorite details in these Volvos is the Orifor's crystal gear selector, which is super, super nice. These are all handmade in Sweden, just look super, super cool. But otherwise, it's going to be pretty much your typical V60 wagon interior, which is no bad thing at all. The fit and finish in these cars is just fantastic. So let's get behind the wheel, let's go for a drive. All right, driving the Polestar. And first thing I gotta say is you gotta kind of color coordinate with the car a little bit, because with these gold seatbelts and this green sweater, I kind of look like a Packer fan. But yeah, go Bears. Want to know, baby? Let's go. But yeah, this car is a lot of fun. I've only driven it for about 10 minutes so far, but I already love it. 450 horsepower, you can't not have fun driving a car with 450 horsepower. And then just thinking that it's a Volvo, whoa, and then thinking it's a station wagon, even more whoa. How is this car performing this well in such kind of a big, long body? But it does a fantastic, fantastic job of that. Now, a little bit of a history lesson on Polestar. They started out about 30 years ago or so in Sweden as a race car team, and they would build these really high performance touring cars, mostly Volvos, and then they started a partnership with Volvo to do some kind of light modifications on some of their cars as kind of special packages. Their collaboration grew over time, and now they're pretty much the equivalent of BMW's M division, but more specifically for hybrid and electric vehicles. So anytime they want to take one of their hybrid or EVs and give it a little bit extra juice, they're going to reach out to Polestar and they're going to make a very special package just like this one. These shocks are also incredible. Öhlins makes some of the best shocks in the world, if not the best, and this thing corners flat like it's on rails. I mean, I'm going around a corner here, going about 30 miles an hour, and yeah, the only thing rolling around in here is me. And not even that much, because these seats have great bolstering on it. But yeah, just super, super flat. They do a great job. The ride is sporty, so you feel it a little bit, but it also is super smooth there also. So you kind of get best of both worlds with these shocks, which is why they're so good, which is why they're the best. These cars also get a specific driving mode, so it's called Polestar mode, and it is optimized for best acceleration, best gear shift response. So let's just try it out. Put your foot down. Oh yeah, downshifted a gear and just took off. This thing is a rocket ship, but super smooth power delivery also, which is nice because you can really tune that with these electric motors to just give you a huge power band so that you're always in the power. You never have to kind of change down a bunch of gears to get the revs up to go for it. The electric motor just helps push it along no matter what gear you're in. Just put your foot down, this thing goes. Now these Polestar cars come pretty much fully loaded, so you get everything in here, all of the safety systems, all of the cameras. It's got the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, just absolutely everything in here. And yeah, it's a really, really good package. And for $74,000 like this one is stickered, I think it's a very good price also. I feel like if this was a BMW, Mercedes, or Audi, you're gonna be looking at $90,000. Whereas 75 really, really puts it at a great price point and makes it a lot more accessible for this amount of performance in such a special package like this one is. And yeah, really, really good job at not making it too expensive and pricing it pretty much right where it should be. It feels like a more expensive car, which is why I'm saying this, but it is just a really, really good price for the amount of power and performance and luxury and safety that you get. Yeah, this would absolutely make for a sweet, sweet daily driver. You can go anywhere, you can do all the grocery shopping, pick up the kids and their friends, everything. And yeah, it does everything. You're gonna have fun while you're driving. Everyone's gonna be super safe in here. Yeah, just a great, great all-around car. More people need to buy station wagons. All right, thank you all so much for watching the video. Had a great time making it for you. Had a great time driving and experiencing this car. This is such an awesome ride. Anyone would love to have this as their daily driver. It is that good. Leave a like and a comment below. We want to hear your thoughts on the car. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to watch some more of them. Have a good day.